Hi friends, welcome back. Today we'll see the procedure how to reduce VM size on Proxmox V. Using LV display, grep LV path, LV size, we get the LV size and path. LV is a logical volume. So currently here we have got several different size and paths for swap, root and VM. Currently VM size is 32 GB. And I intend to reduce the size from 32 GB to even lower. Now running command E2 fsck minus fy dev pve vm 101 disk 0, we get several details on the super blocks, magic numbers that are bad. So found a GPT partition table on this dev pve vm 101 disk 0. Usually the super block could not be read or does not describe valid dx2. So now executing the resize to fs space dev pve vm 101 disk 0 10g. 10g stands for 10 gigabit. Resize to fs gives 1.47. So it says couldn't find valid file system. Now using lsplk to check, I got NVMe, STA 1, 2, 3 partitions, almost like 2 TB hard disk and some swap, and there is a 101 as well. VM showing its size. Now executing command lv reduce minus l minus 16g dev pve vm 101 disk 0. So this will ask whether we really want to reduce volume to 16 GB. I said yes. Now using nano etc pve KMO server for 101, I'm checking the config. In SCSI0 it is still showing 32G. So we need to reduce it to 16G. Control O and Control X to save and exit the nano editor. So 101 config file has been edited. Now QM start 101. This starts the VM with the reduced volume size 16 GB. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.